In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect any gaming headset to your VR setup, whether you're using MetaQuest 3 or the PlayStation VR2. We will cover wired headsets, Bluetooth options, and troubleshooting so your audio works perfectly while gaming. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is connecting the headset to MetaQuest 3. So we have options 1 and 2. The option 1 is going to be the wired connection, which is the easiest and best quality. So let's start with the wired headsets. So locate the 3.5mm audio jack on your MetaQuest 3 headset, plug your gaming headset directly into the port, put on the headset and go to settings, which is equivalent to sound. Adjust volume and confirm audio output is set to headset. Now, if your headset has USB-C instead, you may need a USB-C adapter. Now, if you are using a Bluetooth headset which has limited support, you need to go to the Bluetooth, but be aware, MetaQuest 3 has limited Bluetooth audio support. So if that's the case, go to settings, click the experimental features, turn on Bluetooth pairing mode, put your headset in pairing mode, select it from the available devices list. Please take note, you may experience audio delay or latency in some games. Now, another option is connecting headset to PSVR2. Now we have two options here, similar to the first one. Number 1 is the wired headset, which is recommended. PSVR2 is actually simple, because all you have to do is take your headset with a 3.5mm jack, plug it directly into the PSVR2 headset controller jack, go to PS5 settings, click sound, and click audio output, and then select headset connected to controller. You should now hear 3D special audio in supported games. And then next is going to be USB-C adapter headsets. If your headset is USB-C or wireless dongle based, you need to plug the dongle into the PS5 USB port. Turn on your headset, go to sound settings and select USB headset. It's important to know that for PSVR2, Bluetooth headphones are not directly supported for PSVR2 audio. Okay, so you always need to use wired or USB dongle solutions. Now, all I have to do finally is to test your setup. If you're not getting sound, you need to try and check the volume inside the VR settings. Replug the headset cable and restart the VR headset. Make sure audio output is set correctly and try another headset to rule out any hardware issues. Basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.